The wall-mounted sock storage drawer, a revolutionary solution that combines functionality and style to revolutionize the way you organize your socks. This isn't just any storage drawer, it's a space-saving marvel designed to declutter your dresser and provide a designated home for your sock collection. Say farewell to messy drawers and lost pairs, and welcome the wall-mounted sock storage drawer into your life, because even your smallest essentials deserve a touch of organization. This sock storage drawer isn't just a dresser accessory, it's a clutter conqueror. With its wall-mounted design, it liberates precious drawer space, allowing you to use it for other wardrobe essentials. No more rummaging through a sea of socks to find a matching pair. The wall-mounted sock storage drawer is here to streamline your morning routine. It's not just a storage drawer, it's a dresser space saver. But let's talk about practicality. This isn't just any wardrobe addition, it's a time-saving magician. Its individual compartments ensure that each pair of socks has its designated spot, making getting dressed in the morning a breeze. The wall-mounted sock storage drawer is not just about sock storage, it's about maximizing efficiency in your daily routine. It's not just a drawer, it's a spatial optimization wizard. And installation? Effortless. No need to summon the spirits of handymen past or decipher complicated instructions. The wall-mounted sock storage drawer comes with user-friendly installation, ensuring that you can enjoy the benefits of an organized sock display without the headache of setup. It's like having a personal dresser assistant, discreet, efficient, and always ready when you need it. But wait, there's more. This storage drawer isn't just about practicality, it's about style. With its sleek design and modern aesthetic, the wall-mounted sock storage drawer adds a touch of sophistication to your closet or dressing area. It's not just a drawer, it's a statement piece that enhances the visual appeal of your space. Picture this, you effortlessly selecting a pair of perfectly matched socks from the wall-mounted sock storage drawer, creating a tidy and organized dressing area. It's not just about socks, it's about turning your wardrobe into a functional and visually pleasing zone. Your dressing space is not just a necessity, it's a well-designed haven, equipped with a wall-mounted sock storage drawer. Kindly like, share, and comment. See you tomorrow.